Dear friends and colleagues, I'm Ranee Thakar, President of the Royal College of Obstetricians and Gynaecologists. I wholeheartedly congratulate the Symbiosis Medical College for Women and the Symbiosis University Hospital and Research Center for organizing the first comprehensive workshop on hysteroscopy and also the inauguration of the School of Hysteroscopy. There is no doubt that hysteroscopy is an important part of gynecological surgery. It has several advantages. It has therapeutic options and also diagnostic options. There are several advantages. It can be done in an outpatient setting. It has less complications. It is minimally invasive. But what is most important for me is that it has got good outcomes and is associated with good patient experience. I'm sure you will have 2 fantastic days, and I wish you all the very best.